What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Intentions. We're going to do a build series for y'all this time. I no longer have the blue Jeep. It had a lot of cancer that I just didn't feel was worth fixing. So we now have a 96 Grand Cherokee, and we're going to do a build series on it. So I guess we'll go ahead and show that. And here we have our 96 Grand Cherokee. I just washed it. I've already done a few mods to it, so I'll have to do a before and after picture. And so this is what we got. It's a 96 4.0 full-wheel drive. It's got the 242 transfer case in it. I've already done these headlights, these pods. Let's see here. Basically, that's all I've really done to it. I've already got a bunch of stuff in for it. This video is coming out a little bit late. Kind of been procrastinating, but anyways, a little info on it. It's a 4.0 with a 242 transfer case. It's already got 31s on it. It's got a 3-inch puck lift kit on it that the previous owner already had installed. From my knowledge, the motor has around 117,000 miles on it. It's really just your basic build. It's got a lot of cosmetic stuff that I'd like to clean up on it, such as these panels are really either been painted at one point or just really crappy. So I'm gonna either clean those up or get rid of them and try to do some body filler on there. I'd like to get rid of this light bar and do a roof rack on top of it. Future plans, I've already got 3.5-inch Rubicon Express coil springs for it. I've got some drop brackets. I've got a bunch of parts that came in. Waiting on a few more, waiting on the rear track bar to come in, waiting on the front track bar to come in. Basically what we're gonna do is do the cheap Jeep, bleeping Jeep lift on it. You can go check his channel out. I'm not, sponsored or anything, so I don't get nothing for this. I'm just giving a shout out because this is where the idea came from. Basically what you do is you take the front coil springs, you put them in the rear, and then you get new coil springs for the front. This is what you already have in. You got to get new shocks, and then from there you have to get control arms, which I did exactly what he did. Shout out to Rocker 4x4 for that. I went over there and I purchased a set of those. They're all upper JK control arms. Like I said, I'm not sponsored. I'm just giving a shout out because these are people that I actually went to and actually purchased these. So big help from them, even though they don't even know about it. But anyhow, so that's what I've got for that. I might stick the 3-inch pucks back underneath it to do a total of around 6-inch lift, but we have to just play with things and see where they end up. I might have to fabricate a few things, but that's the plan. Anyways, this is the new build. Hopefully y'all will enjoy it. Hopefully y'all will just take interest in it and support the channel. It's actually the first time I washed it since I got it. I've had it about a few weeks now and I really dig it. I've had a few of them, but let's just see how this one pans out. I know that these DJs are really cheap. This is a bad time for Chrysler, so we'll just have to see what happens with it. But if you really want to see how this goes, go hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Go like this video. If you don't like this video, give it a dislike and just explain why you don't like it, and give me a opportunity to make my videos better. It really helps when I get feedback, so don't be scared to leave a comment and just tell me what you liked and didn't like. Anyways, I guess just let's see where it goes. I hope y'all enjoy, and I'm gonna go and start making videos for y'all again.